Our plans this week have slightly changed. The rubber didn't come in time to do the roof this weekend, so instead we thought we'd get on and finish the sides. In the video you're going to see today, you'll see us putting the ply board onto the stud walls. It's a 18mm on the roof, but on the sides we've gone with 12mm. After we've attached the plywood, you'll see that we put felt all around it, which is to make it water resistant. After we've attached the felt with some tacks, we've then put some battens on just to keep it in place. So that was today. As you can see, there's some of the results. And on the next video, you will see us doing the garage door. It's a second-hand garage door we found, and we've brought the pieces to attach it to a canopy set. And then the following one after that will be the rubber roof. Anyway, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and keep posted.